In today's video, we are reviewing the Sharp SDW6726MS 24-inch stainless steel dishwasher. This dishwasher makes cleaning dishes easy and quiet without disturbing your home. Before we start, the link to this dishwasher is in the description below at the best price in the market. The Sharp SDW6726MS is a built-in dishwasher designed for anyone who wants a reliable, efficient, and peaceful dishwashing experience. One of its best features is the library quiet operation, running at just 47 decibels, which means you can run it anytime without worrying about noise. It also has a flexible, adjustable third rack, giving you extra space for flatware, serving spoons, and other utensils, so you can fit more dishes in a single wash. Cleaning is very effective thanks to the power wash sprayer and 3 specialized sprayers that target heavily soiled dishes, making sure every plate and pan comes out sparkling clean. The dishwasher also has smart soil sensors that detect how dirty your dishes are and adjust the wash cycle automatically, saving water and energy. With 12 place settings, it's perfect for small to medium families who want to wash everything at once. And the 5 wash cycles and 4 options let you customize cleaning based on your needs. Front touch controls make operation simple and intuitive, even if you're not used to high-tech appliances. The stainless steel finish looks modern and fits nicely into any kitchen design. Overall, this dishwasher is a great mix of quiet performance, powerful cleaning, and convenience. It's ideal for people who want a reliable appliance that works efficiently and quietly without any hassle. If you are looking for a dishwasher that combines space, smart cleaning, and ease of use, the Sharp SDW6726MS is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to get it at the best price in the market and upgrade your kitchen cleaning experience today.